Hi everyone, I am Niyati Bansal. I have recently qualified my CA intermediate examinations in May 2024 attempt. I took the classes of all the subjects in online mode through Google Drive classes. So talking about the faculties from which I took my classes, starting with paper number 1, Advanced Accounting, which I took from Parveen Jindal sir. The way of teaching is good. He explains the concepts very well. In the new course, there are almost the accounting standards and 4 to 5 other chapters also. So whenever explaining the accounting standards, he always used to explain the index also, which is related to that specific accounting standards. And for doubt solving, sir solves the doubt of all the students individually. You have to just message on the WhatsApp, and it takes just 1 or 2 days for the reply, and doubts can be solved easily. Paper number 2, Corporate and Other Laws, I took from Manish Bhandari sir. Recordings were quite old and somewhere lengthy, but he explained all the concepts and amendment as well. You just only have to cover the amendment separately from the regular lectures. So other than Manish Bhandari sir, I've referred Shubham Singhal sir from V Smart Academy. I did the revision of entire law from the rapid revision playlist, and second preference would be Harsh Gupta sir from IGP class. Paper number 3, Taxation, in which section A is Direct Tax. I took from Bhavar Borana sir. He is one of the best faculty for the direct taxation. You'll get 2 books for the study material. First one is Compact, in which all the provisions are explained properly. And next one is Compiler, like a question bank, in which all the questions of ICI study material, MTPs, PYQs are covered. And apart from that, prior to exam, almost 1 to 2 months prior to exam, so I provide a PDF of super 30 questions, which you should practice to check whether you have prepared well or not. That PDF covers almost all the adjustments. In paper number 3, section B is Indirect Tax, that is GST. I took from Vishal Bhattar sir. Specifically, the chart book is very helpful in revising the concepts again and again in very short span of time, and the GST questionnaire for the practice is sufficient for exam preparation. Moving on, paper number 4, Cost and Management Accounting, I took from Purushottam Agarwal sir. His textbook contains a lot of questions, practical questions, and he used to solve almost questions in the class itself, so that students need not to check any other material for cross-referencing their answer whether it is correct or not. And he also provide a pocket revision book which covers all the concepts and formulas of costing, so that you can revise it very quickly. Paper number 5, Auditing and Ethics, I took from Neeraj Arora sir. He explains all the topics and concepts in very interesting manner. After every lecture, there is already a 4 to 5 minute revision video, so that students can recall whatever they have studied in the previous sessions. Apart from that, there are weekly chapter-wise tests, which the students will get within 2 to 3 days, which are properly checked and evaluated, and the team will let you know whatever the mistakes you did and you should improve. Last paper, paper number 6, is Financial Management and Strategic Management. Financial Management I took from Namita Arora sir. His practice book contains all type of question, or apart from ICI study material, there are all PYQs. You need not to check from the ICI viewers portal that whether this question is covered or not. Like part B of paper number 6 is Strategic Management. I did it through self-study. There are almost just 4 to 5 chapters in the syllabus, and the ICI module language is easy and very simple. You can easily understand by yourself. So I took no coaching for that subject.